You know, at some point, I'm going to have to go out and do chores. But there's just something about this that just gives me anxiety. I don't want to go out in that. But homestead things gotta still happen. This is ridiculous. Shout out to Rebecca Touched by Yarn for the hat, because it helps. It's warm. I gotta get fed here. I'm not into this winter wonderland. Y'all can keep it up there in Canada, Alaska, and everywhere else. Hey girls, you think this is BS? I hate it in here. We hate it out here, don't we? This is BS. This weather is not right. You want some corn to get warm? Well, yes. Yes, you do.